How to pay with gift card on McDonald's app. What's up everyone? In today's video, we're going to see if you can pay with a gift card on your McDonald's app. But before we get started, make sure to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our latest uploads. Alright, let's get right into it. So if you don't have the McDonald's app, what you can do is download it from App Store or Google Play Store. And once you download it and log into your account, you will see that when you order your food, there is no option to pay with your gift card because McDonald's app does not support that feature yet. But if you really want to use your gift card, then you will have to go to a physical store located near where you live. Then you will be able to access the gift card and pay with it for your orders. So there is no active way to pay for your orders on the McDonald's app with your gift card because it does not have any way to use the gift card or anywhere you can enter your gift card. But on the physical store, you can pay with the gift card if your gift card is valid. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this video. I will see you guys next time.